Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and Android or iOS version. Make sure multiple home setups are supported. Next, enable the splitter. Go to Settings, right arrow Home App Selection, or install a third-party launcher that supports workspaces. Once done, back up your current layout and export widgets and shortcuts so you can restore items if needed. This prevents data loss and sets you up to create a second home screen without disrupting the primary one. You now build the second home, open your launcher or create a new user or profile for complete separation. Then, drag apps, widgets, and folders onto the new workspace. Customize wallpaper, grid size, and app icons so the second home feels distinct. Once done, set shortcuts and arrange frequently used apps for quick access. Also, tweak permissions and notification settings for that profile to limit interruptions, which keeps the two homes functionally different and efficient. To finish, practice switching. Use the gesture, launcher toggle, or the profile switcher to move between homes quickly. Once switched, refine layouts and test app behavior, widget refresh, and notification delivery so nothing surprises you. If you hit problems, apps missing, widgets not updating, or slow switching, clear the launcher cache, reinstall the launcher, or restore from your backup. That troubleshooting step fixes most conflicts while keeping your two home setup stable and predictable for daily use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.